Are you ready to be amazed? See the monster trucks at the Prince William County Fair, Friday, August 21st and Saturday, August 22nd in the Grandstand at 7 p.m. There's plenty more fun, too. The rides and attractions on the Midway, No Joe's Circus, Jeff Robbins' Mountain Music, Welde's Big Bear Show, and more. Fun sights, sounds, food, rides, and more. Framed in classic Americana at Virginia's largest county fair, conveniently located in Manassas. And like the fair on Facebook for free information, updates, and more.